Okay, so AI,
Yeah.
it's everywhere these days, right?
Yeah.
And everyone is either like super excited about it
Mm-hmm.
or totally freaked out, especially when you see,
Yeah.
those headlines
Oh, yeah.
about AI taking over jobs.
Right. Right.
Kind of scary.
Yeah. Yeah, it can definitely spark some anxiety.
For sure. So when I saw this program called AI Franchise,
Uh-huh.
claiming to be the ticket to,
Okay.
making money online using AI, it's like, I got to dive into this.
Interesting.
No experience needed, they say.
Oh, wow.
Just plug in and watch the cash roll in.
Ah.
Okay, that last part might be my
Oh,
summary,
yeah, yeah.
but you get the idea.
I gotcha.
It's definitely got that too good to be true vibe going on.
Yeah, it sounds like a pretty bold claim.
Right. So what exactly is this AI franchise?
Okay.
Basically, it's a pre-packaged online business,
Okay.
specifically focused on affiliate marketing.
Uh-huh.
They call it the seven-figure affiliate system,
Oh, okay.
and pitch it as a franchise you get to own.
Yeah. So for those unfamiliar with affiliate marketing,
Yeah,
it means promoting other companies' products or services
right.
and earning a commission for every sale you make through like your unique referral link.
Exactly. And the AI franchise promises to handle a lot of the heavy lifting for you.
Oh, wow.
They provide pre-made products,
Okay.
marketing materials,
Uh-huh.
and even claim to use AI for driving traffic to your offers.
Hmm. Interesting.
All for $9.95.
Wow.
Plus, you get these enticing bonus offers like the AI traffic machine
Okay.
and millionaire cloning system.
What?
Who wouldn't want to clone a millionaire?
Well, it's definitely a well-crafted sales pitch,
Right.
but let's look closer at the language
Sure.
and tactics they're using.
Okay, let's put on our detective hats.
Yeah.
One thing that jumps out is the scarcity factor.
Right.
They emphasize that AI is moving fast,
Mm-hmm.
and this is a limited time offer.
Uh-huh.
So you better act quickly before you miss out.
Yeah, that sense of urgency is a classic marketing technique.
Yeah.
Right.
Designed to push people
Mm.
towards a decision without
Mm.
necessarily giving them the time
Yeah.
to think it through carefully.
Right. And they really lean into the emotional aspect, too.
Okay.
They tap into those fears about job security,
Mm-hmm.
financial worries,
Right.
and then present AI franchise
Yeah.
as this solution that provides relief and freedom.
Oh, I see.
They've got these glowing testimonials from people claiming to be making big bucks with the system. Steve Hughes, Gene Shaw, Ryan Green,
Okay.
even a Steve Whitehead boasting about his $10K a month.
Well, testimonials can be powerful,
Yeah,
but it's important to remember their individual experiences
right.
and might not represent the average outcome.
Yeah,
We don't know how many people tried and didn't see those kinds of results.
exactly. And that brings us to the big question.
Okay.
Can AI really do all the work
Yeah.
and make money for you on autopilot, as they claim?
That's the big question, isn't it?
I mean, it would be amazing, but
Yeah. It's important to be skeptical, right?
absolutely. While AI can automate certain aspects of online business,
Right.
the idea that it can do everything for you
Yep.
and guarantee success is a bit of a stretch.
Totally agree. There's this vagueness surrounding how the AI actually works.
Right.
They throw around buzzwords like smart AI machines
Uh-huh.
and plug it in and it works, but offer very few concrete details.
That lack of transparency is definitely a red flag.
Right.
If the AI is the heart of the system and the key to success,
Yeah.
you'd expect them to be more upfront about what it actually does and how it functions.
Right. Plus, even though affiliate marketing can be a legitimate way
Yeah.
to make money online,
Yeah.
it's not some easy path to riches.
Exactly. Success in affiliate marketing depends on a lot of factors,
Right.
including choosing the right niche,
Hmm.
marketing effectively, and putting in consistent effort.
Yeah.
It's not as simple as just plugging into some AI system.
Okay. So far, we've got a product with a very slick sales pitch and some big promises,
Right.
but we're also seeing some potential red flags pop up.
Okay.
The vagueness around the AI,
Yeah.
the heavy reliance on emotional appeals and scarcity tactics.
It definitely raises some questions.
Yeah.
And it highlights the importance of doing your due diligence
Mm-hmm.
before investing in any online business opportunity,
Right.
especially one that promises such effortless success.
So what would you recommend someone do
Well,
if they're interested in this AI franchise,
okay.
but also want to approach it with a critical eye?
Mm.
What are some practical steps they could take?
Well, first, I'd suggest looking beyond the sales material.
Okay.
Try to find independent reviews for
Mhm.
people who have actually purchased and used the AI franchise.
Right.
See what their experiences have been like,
Yeah.
both the good and the bad.
That's a great idea.
Yeah.
Get a real-world perspective, not just the carefully curated success stories
Exactly.
they highlight on the sales page.
And it's also worth digging into the creator's background,
Okay.
Michael Cheney.
Yeah.
See what you can find out about his track record in online marketing.
Right.
Has he created successful products in the past? Are there any complaints or controversies associated with his name?
So do some background checks, basically.
Obviously.
Make sure he's someone who actually walks the walk,
Yeah.
not just talks the talk.
Exactly. And I'd also recommend looking into the affiliate marketing model itself.
Okay.
Get a better understanding of how it works, the potential challenges involved,
Right.
and what it takes to be successful.
Right, because the AI franchise is just one specific approach to affiliate marketing.
Exactly.
And it's important to understand the broader context.
And finally, remember that there's no such thing as a guaranteed, risk-free way to make money online.
Yeah.
Every business opportunity comes with its own set of risks and potential rewards.
Okay, so the key takeaway here is do your research, be skeptical, and don't be swayed by hype and promises of easy money.
Exactly.
This has been super helpful so far.
Yeah.
But we've only just scratched the surface.
Right. There's a lot more to unpack here.
Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into Michael Cheney's background
Okay.
and take a closer look at the world of affiliate marketing,
Sounds good.
both its potential and its pitfalls.
I'm looking forward to it. Welcome back to part 2 of our AI franchise deep dive. In this segment, we're going to shift our focus to the creator of this program, Michael Cheney.
Okay, so let's take a closer look at the man behind the curtain. From what I've gathered, Michael Cheney's been in the online marketing game for a long time. Over 25 years, actually. He definitely positions himself as a seasoned veteran who's figured out the secrets to online success.
Yeah, he's got that been there, done that vibe going on. And he's definitely got the credentials to back it up. He's been featured in major media outlets like The Times, The Independent, even the BBC.
Right. He's not just some random guy popping up out of nowhere. That kind of media exposure definitely lends him credibility.
Yeah, it creates a sense of authority and expertise. Makes people think, well, if the BBC is talking about him, he must know what he's talking about.
Exactly. And he really plays that up in the AI franchise sales material. He talks about spending the last 2 years immersed in the world of AI, investing tons of money into this technology. It's all designed to position him as being on the cutting edge of this AI revolution, someone who knows how to leverage it for profit.
It's a smart strategy, aligning himself with this hot new trend. People are naturally drawn to those who seem like they have a handle on what's coming next.
Totally. But of course, it's always wise to be cautious. Take these self-proclaimed titles with a grain of salt, as they say.
Absolutely. Don't just take his word for it. Do your own independent research on Michael Cheney and his background. See what else he's created. Look for reviews from other people who've tried his programs. Look for any red flags that might pop up.
Right, because anyone can create a slick website and put out a compelling sales pitch. It's the results that really matter.
Exactly. Speaking of results, let's talk about the business model at the heart of AI franchise. Affiliate marketing. This is actually a very common model in the online world, and it can be a legitimate way to earn income.
Okay, so for those of us who aren't familiar with affiliate marketing, can you break it down for us? What's the basic idea?
Sure. Essentially, with affiliate marketing, you're acting as a middleman between a product creator and a potential customer. You promote someone else's product or service, and if someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission.
So it's like being a salesperson, but online.
Yeah.
You're getting a cut of the sale for bringing in the customer.
Exactly. It's a performance-based model, so your earnings are directly tied to your ability to drive sales.
Okay, so where does the AI come into play with all of this? How does AI franchise supposedly make affiliate marketing easier or more profitable?
Well, that's where things get a bit murky. They talk about the AI handling traffic generation, which is a critical part of affiliate marketing. Basically, you need to get people to see your affiliate links, and that's where traffic comes in.
Right, you need eyeballs on your offers. So they're saying the AI will take care of that for you.
That's the claim. But as we discussed earlier, they're pretty vague on the specifics of how the AI actually works.
Okay, so we've got this pre-built business system, the 7-figure affiliate system, that's supposed to make affiliate marketing easy. They provide the products, the marketing materials, and even the traffic, all thanks to AI. But it's all a bit fuzzy on the details.
It's a bit like they're saying, just trust us, the AI will take care of it, which can be a bit unsettling when you're considering investing your time and money.
Right. It all sounds a bit too good to be true. And even if the AI can do some of what they claim, affiliate marketing still isn't a walk in the park.
Exactly. there are still fundamental principles of marketing that you
Hmm.
need to understand. Things like identifying a profitable niche, creating compelling content, building an audience, and establishing trust.
Okay, so even with AI in the mix, you can't just sit back and expect the money to roll in. You still need to put in the work, develop your skills, and understand how to market effectively.
Absolutely. It's not about replacing human effort with AI. It's about using AI as a tool to enhance your efforts. And that requires understanding both the power and the limitations of AI.
So the takeaway here is that affiliate marketing can be a legitimate business model, but it's not a magic bullet.
Yeah.
And while AI can potentially play a role in making it more efficient, it's not a guaranteed shortcut to success.
Well said. Now, let's switch gears a bit and talk about some of the potential risks and rewards associated with affiliate marketing in general. Whether you're using AI or not, there are certain things to consider before jumping into this type of business.
Okay, let's talk about the downsides first. What are some of the potential risks involved with affiliate marketing?
Well, one of the biggest risks is competition. Affiliate marketing is a popular business model, so there are a lot of people vying for attention.
Right, so it's not just about finding a product to promote, it's about standing out from the crowd.
Exactly. You need to find a way to differentiate yourself, to offer something unique that sets you apart from all the other affiliates promoting the same product.
Okay, so competition is one risk. What else should people be aware of?
Another risk is relying too heavily on a single platform or traffic source. For
Yeah.
example, if you're driving all your traffic from social media and that platform makes a change to its algorithm, it could drastically impact your business.
Ah, so you need to diversify your traffic sources. Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Precisely. And then there's a risk of choosing the wrong products to promote. You need to make sure you're aligning yourself with products that are high quality, relevant to your audience, and that offer a good commission structure.
So do your research on the products you're promoting. Don't just jump on any opportunity that comes your way.
Exactly. And it's also important to be aware of the ethical considerations
Mhm.
involved in affiliate marketing. You need to be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships and make sure you're promoting products that you genuinely believe in.
Right, because at the end of the day, it's about building trust with your audience.
Mm,
You don't want to jeopardize that by promoting something shady or misleading.
exactly.
Mm.
Now, on the flip side, let's talk about some of the potential rewards of affiliate marketing.
Okay, so what are some of the upsides? Why might someone want to get involved with this type of business?
Well, one of the biggest attractions is the potential for passive income. Once you've set up your system and established a steady stream of traffic, you can theoretically earn commissions without actively working on the business.
Ah, the dream of making money while you sleep. That's definitely appealing.
It is. Of course, achieving that level of passive income usually requires a significant amount of upfront work and ongoing optimization. It's not a set it and forget it type of business.
Right, there's no such thing as a free lunch.
Yeah,
But even if it's not completely passive, affiliate marketing still offers a lot of flexibility.
absolutely. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Set your own hours and be your own boss.
That freedom and flexibility is a huge draw for a lot of people,
Mm-hmm.
especially those who are tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind.
And another benefit is that affiliate marketing can be a great way to learn about online business and marketing in general. Even if you don't achieve massive financial success, the skills and knowledge you gain along the way can be incredibly valuable.
Okay, so it's a learning experience as well. You're developing skills that can be applied to other areas of your life.
Exactly. So, as you can see, there are both potential risks and rewards. To consider when evaluating affiliate marketing as a business model, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn, but it can also be a rewarding and fulfilling way to earn income online.
This has been a great overview of affiliate marketing. Thanks for breaking it down for us.
You're welcome. Now, with that understanding of affiliate marketing as a backdrop, let's return to the AI franchise and take a closer look at some of its specific claims and features.
Okay, so let's delve back into the AI franchise and see if it lives up to the hype. Welcome back to the final part of our deep dive into the AI franchise. We've explored the product's promises, taken a closer look at Michael Chaney, and delved into the world of affiliate marketing. Now let's step back and consider the bigger picture. Okay, so we've gathered a lot of information. We've seen the shiny sales pitch, but we've also uncovered some potential red flags. What stands out to you as particularly important for our listeners to keep in mind? For me, it all comes back to the importance of critical thinking and informed decision-making. We live in a world where we're constantly bombarded with information and marketing messages, and it's easy to get swept up in the hype.
especially when it comes to something as alluring as AI. It's this powerful technology with so much potential, but it's also easy to overestimate its capabilities and fall for promises that are too good to be true.
Exactly. And I think that's what we're seeing with AI franchise. They're leveraging the excitement and buzz around AI to create a product that sounds incredibly appealing, especially to those who are feeling anxious about the future of work.
Yeah, it's like they're offering a safety net in an uncertain world. Don't worry about AI taking your job, use AI to make money instead.
Right. But as we've discussed, the reality of AI and affiliate marketing is much more nuanced than that. It's not a magic bullet. It requires effort, skill, and a realistic understanding of the challenges involved.
So what would you say to someone who's considering investing in AI franchise? What key takeaways should they keep in mind?
First and foremost, don't rush into any decision based solely on the sales pitch. Take your time, do your research, and look beyond the hype.
I completely agree. Don't let fear or a sense of regency drive your decision making.
Exactly. And remember that AI is a tool, not a solution in itself.
Yeah.
It can be a powerful tool, but it's not going to do all the work for you.
Right. It's about using AI strategically to enhance your efforts, not to replace them entirely.
And finally, be realistic about your expectations. There's no such thing as a guaranteed path to success, whether you're using AI or not. Affiliate marketing, like any business, requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt.
Those are all excellent points. I think it's also important to emphasize that there are legitimate and ethical ways to leverage AI in business.
Absolutely. AI is not inherently good or bad. It's all about how it's used. And as consumers, it's up to us to be discerning and critical in our evaluation of products and services that claim to use AI.
Well said. Ultimately, it comes down to empowering ourselves with knowledge and making informed decisions that align with our values and goals.
So as we conclude our deep dive into AI franchise, we encourage you to continue your own exploration of AI and its impact on entrepreneurship. It's a rapidly evolving field with both exciting opportunities and potential pitfalls to navigate.
And remember, critical thinking, informed decision-making, and a healthy dose of skepticism are your best allies in navigating this complex landscape.
Exactly. We hope this deep dive has provided you with valuable insights and tools to make more informed decisions about AI and online business opportunities. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to check out our other videos for more deep dives into the world of AI and other fascinating topics. Until next time, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep exploring.